Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my super fast full face in under 25 minutes. I filmed all of this in less than 35 minutes. That's crazy. Usually it takes me an hour to 2 hours to get ready. I also sit down and take my time, and like I'm super slow when I'm just like sitting here filming or getting ready. But this is when you only have 30 minutes to look good and to get out the door. I went super quickly and I filmed all of it, including the talk through and putting lashes on, in under 35 minutes. I started filming right around 9 o'clock and it is 9:35. So that's pretty cool for me. Like, that's cool for me because I take forever. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to get ready with me quickly, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my quick run out the door, only have 20 to 30 minutes to get ready. I take my time when I'm getting ready. I will sit in here, I listen to music, or I'll watch a show, and I just like take my time usually when I'm doing my makeup. Sometimes I can sit here for hours and get ready, but then sometimes, you know, you need to get some makeup on quick because you have somewhere to be quicker than you thought, or you weren't paying attention to the time and now you only have 20 to 30 minutes to get out the door. This is how I do it. There are a couple newer products in here, but a lot of these are ones I've already used multiple times and really like. I like everything that I am using today. Okay, so my face is washed and moisturized, ready to go. So when I'm going quick, I don't do my eyes first because I do very minimal eyeshadow. So I'm gonna start with primer. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation in the shade 030 Sand Beige. I really like this foundation. Basically, every time I use it, I think that it looks really good. And I buff that out with my Morphe M439. Especially when you're in a hurry, buffing it out with a brush makes it so much quicker. So I just quickly buff that out. For me, my cheeks right here are my problem areas. That's where I get most of my breakouts, except for this massive zit right here. Don't know where that came from, but I will just add a little bit more onto the cheek area to build up coverage because, let's be honest, my cheeks always look horrible. So once I have that all buffed out, I just quickly go over it with my sponge to get the finish that I like. Really make sure it is pressed into the skin and looking the best. Okay, so once I have the foundation on and I think that it looks really good, once I built up the coverage on my cheeks, it looks pretty good. I really have been loving this foundation. Let me know if you guys have tried it because I'm very impressed. Every time I use it, I'm like, oh, that looks pretty dang good. So for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer. This is in the shade L12 Fair. Love this stuff so much. So when I'm trying to do my makeup quickly, I just add it under the eyes, on the eyelids to prime, and highlight a little bit but not too much. And then just blend that out with my sponge. And then I am going to take the Maybelline Fit Me powder to set my entire face. This powder is great. It is one of my most reached for items for sure. I think it is amazing and I think it looks so good on the skin. So after blending that out, I just make sure to set my eyelids and under my eyes first because my eyes are creasy And I just set those places that need set first. And then I will take my Morphe E41, which is just that giant powder brush, and set the rest of my makeup. I'm kind of going quickly like I would be if I was trying to get out of here fast, to kind of see how long it takes me. Because I like to think that I do this really quick, but I also take my time. Like, I waste time like I have nowhere to be. Another good thing to do is when you're trying to be quick, grab the least amount of products you need to grab. So I grabbed the Benefit Cheekathon, and that's because it has bronzer and blush in this. So I grabbed this one so that I could use both of those. I'm not going to contour, I'm just going to bronze my face today. I'm going to take the small Eco Tools multitasking brush and pick up Hoola out of that and just warm up my face pretty quickly like that. See, look at the difference. And that was just a tiny amount of product. Once I have the skin warmed up, that worked pretty easily. So then I'm gonna dip into that same palette, and this is Dandelion, that blush. And I actually really like this brush. This is the Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. I really like this for blush. I just think it'd be way too big for highlighter, but it works really good for blush. You could go in with contour right here and just add a little bit more of a shadow, like a cool toned color right here, so not all of it is warm, but I'm fine with just the bronzer. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution London Soph X highlighter palette. I actually love this so much. It is really nice. So I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. It's a champagne. Look how pretty that is. So we are only at 13 minutes right now. I've had the camera turned on for 13 minutes and we're basically done with the face. Like, that was so quick. And if you knew how long I actually took to get ready, I really like this highlighter palette. Look how pretty that is. You can see it emphasizes my texture a little bit, but for me, it actually is pretty easy. I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit down here because it looks a little harsh. Like I was saying, it does look a little textured on the highlighter. Once I get done with my makeup and spray my face with a setting spray, that usually tones it down quite a bit, but whew, look how pretty that is. For eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Ring the Alarm palette. I just grabbed this palette. You can grab any palette that you want. Basically, I just throw some browns into the crease. This is more orangey, so I guess we'll go orangey, but this is the Wet n Wild Holiday brush, and I'm just picking up Rush. I go very simple when I'm hurrying. Eyeshadow is what I waste the most time doing. I spend forever on my eyeshadow. What do you guys spend the most time in your makeup routine doing? I guess brows are kind of up there, but definitely eyeshadow. I could sit here for an hour blending one eyeshadow look. On that same brush, I'm going to take Mugshot because that's a little more brown than orange, and I'm going to focus that on the outer corner and blending it into the crease. Just making sure all of that is blended. Really easy. Then I'm just going to take Lolly on my finger. So when I'm rushing, I'm just going to put this on the lid. When I'm rushing, I will basically put 1 or 2 brown colors in the crease and just blend those out, deepen the outer corner a little bit, and then pop on a shimmer shade, and that is it. Your eyeshadow can still look bomb even if you only spent 10 minutes doing it. I'm just taking that first brush and blending out the edges of that shimmer. Taking this little e.l.f. eye crease brush, I'm gonna take Mugshot and smoke that out on the lower lash line. I was trying to think of what to film today, and then yesterday, well, last night, my son had a music program at his school. It was really cute. And I was like, not gonna get ready. I was like, I'll just go looking like a bum, I don't care. And then like right at the last second, I was like, no, I need to put some makeup on. So I like did this basically in like 20 minutes before we left. And then I was like, that is a great video idea. Like super quick, show you how I get it done. So then quickly, I'm just gonna pop on some mascara and lashes. Okay, so it's 9:20 in the morning and I've been filming for less than 20 minutes. So I just wanna see how long this actually takes from start to finish. Obviously, I would be a little bit faster if I wasn't explaining everything to you and I was just doing it. I have the worst baby lashes, they suck. Okay guys, so I just popped lashes and mascara on super quick. Actually, it wasted like 5 minutes. If you have normal lashes that like look fine with just mascara, do that. I don't, so I have to put fake lashes on or I literally look so weird. So that will save you even more time. For lipstick, I'm gonna go in with my Ride or Die Lorac Minimalist lipstick. Just super quickly like that. If you want to add a little something, I always take a highlighter. I think I'm going to take the same one I put on my face, and I tap that right over the center, and then spray my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Let that dry a little bit, and if I feel like there's any water droplets, I go just over the top, pressing everything in. And also that helps with the highlighter showing my texture. So I know I didn't do my brows. When I am in this big of a hurry, I'm lucky and I never plucked my brows until a couple years ago. So I still have like a decent amount of, like I have decent brows. So for brows, when I'm going super quick like this, all I do is I take the Benefit Gimme Brow and just comb through my brows. And this, they like look really feathered and natural, but it gives them that extra color and pigment to make them not look like I just did nothing with them, you know? I actually kind of love the way that my brows look when I do that. Except for these hairs that, excuse me, go back to your assigned seat, please. See, I like the way that looks. And then I'm going to take the highlighter that I used today, and which is this shade right here. I'm going to mix it a little bit with this pearly shade and go right on my inner corner. And I try to go really bright on my inner corner, like all the time. And under my brow. Boom. I have been filming for 29 minutes exactly right now, and my face is done. This is a full face in under 30 minutes. Boom. I'm like so proud of myself right now. I'm like, good job. Didn't think that I could do it. This is what the makeup looks like. Super easy. You can do anything on your eyes. You don't have to throw on lashes. Really, if I wouldn't have been explaining it and putting lashes on, I probably could have got it to under 20 minutes. I'm super excited. I think it looks good. My face does look a little warm, so I definitely, something you could do is take your regular contour brush and just add a little bit of whatever's left onto it. Sometimes I do that, but just add a little bit of that cool tone to it. And normally I do a slicked back high ponytail like this, and I straighten my ponytail, and I'll just do a slicked back high pony with this kind of makeup. Oh, I forgot to put, I'm gonna put black on the waterline. This is Urban Decay Perversion. So this is the finished look. This is me getting ready with a full face basically in 25 minutes, I would say. Yeah, close to 25 minutes. I got everything done. I got contouring done. I got eyeshadow done. This is like the quickest eyeshadow look I've done, but I think it's cute. Like, this makeup is easy. It was quick. You guys saw how fast I did it. I try to grab the least amount of products that I need to grab, just kind of be quick at it. I think this is a great routine for before school, before work. You're running late, you need to get out the door, but you don't want to look like a zombie. I think this is a great, easy routine. You can sub any of your favorite products and get this done just as quick. All of the products I use today, I absolutely love. I'm like obsessed with all of these products. I think all of them are super, super great. Let me know what your guys' go-to products are when you're quick, in a hurry, need to look good and get out the door. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I post 3 every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.